brace this here, I'm going to have a piece that goes from here to here. And I got to figure out the size, so I'm doing a cut to fit here. Roofing square like this is 16 inches on this end and 24 inches on this side. So if you put the 16 inch here and get it square to the outside of the 2x4 here, and you come up, so if that's 16 inches, and I measure 16 inches up from here, so I've got a 16 by 16 right angle, and then I take my measure, and measure from the long point here to the long point there, and it's less than 24 inches, about 23 something. So I'm going to cut a piece of a 1x6 for my measurement. That 1x6 I've already cut off, as you can see, a 45 right there. So I'm going to cut this off square at 24 inches from that long point. So I measure 24 inches, make a square mark, and that's an oversize, just to make it easier to get an exact measurement. Don't need that one anymore. Okay, so, and I'll need my ruler and my pencil, and there's the ruler, and what did I do with my pencil I dropped on the floor, didn't I? Right there. Okay, so now with this long point here, down like that, I'm going to put that there. That's a 45-degree angle. And I'm going to go up to the 16-inch mark I made here. And by the way, the 16 inches is okay because it's more than 32 inches from the outside of the 2x4 to the other outside of the other 2x4. Okay? So I'm going to hold that nice and tight. Hold that and make a mark. Hold it tight and make a mark. Okay, so that's the other 45 I got to cut. So now I'm going to have two 45s, one here and one there. Be back in a minute. Alright, so to cut this 45, I like to clamp my boards down when I'm cutting, something special like this. So I can take So now, we're going to see how well that fits. Okay. Peachy. Feet's just peachy. Now, if I come over here, flip it over, let's see if it fits this side. Okay. So now I got to go make another one just like this, but that's going to be easy because I already got a 45 on one end. Okay, so now I got two of these, exactly the same size. The long point to long point measurement is 22 and 15/16 inches.